If GOG Galaxy is showing an installation error and you see the message that says GOG Galaxy encountered an issue with connection on your side, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you the quickest way to fix it. This usually happens when GOG Galaxy is being blocked by your antivirus, your firewall, or a network permission issue on your PC. The good news is that this is often an easy fix, and once you follow the steps in this tutorial, you should be able to continue the installation normally. If this video helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Now let's jump right into it. First, read the error message carefully. It says to make sure that you have an internet connection and that GOG Galaxy is not blocked by your antivirus or firewall. That means the first thing you want to do is check whether your internet is working properly. Open a browser and make sure websites load correctly. If your connection is unstable, restart your router or switch to a different network and try again. If your internet is fine and the error still appears, then the next step is to allow GOG Galaxy through your antivirus and firewall. This part is very important because security software can sometimes block the installer even when it is safe. To do that, open your antivirus program and look for the settings related to exclusions, exceptions, trusted apps, or allowed programs. Add this folder to the trusted or exception list, CPUs, program files, x6, GOG Galaxy. Make sure you add the exact folder path because that is the location GOG Galaxy uses during installation. After that, open your Windows firewall settings and check the allowed apps list or the firewall exceptions section. Again, add the same GOG Galaxy folder if your security tool allows folder-based exceptions, or allow the GOG Galaxy executable if needed. If your antivirus asks for confirmation, click Allow or Trust. If Windows asks for administrator permission, approve it so the change can be saved. Once you have added GOG Galaxy to both your antivirus and firewall trusted lists, close everything and restart your computer. Restarting helps the new settings take effect properly. After your PC turns back on, try launching GOG Galaxy again and continue the installation. In many cases, this will solve the connection error immediately. If you still get the same issue, double check that the folder path was entered correctly and make sure no other security software is still blocking the app in the background. It can also help to temporarily pause your antivirus during the installation, only if you are comfortable doing that and you know the file is from an official source. Just remember to turn protection back on afterward. So to recap, the fix is simple. Verify your internet connection, then add cloud program files, x86, GOG Galaxy to your antivirus and firewall, trusted or exception list, restart your computer and try the installer again. That should help resolve the GOG installation error E3 and get you back on track. If this tutorial saved you time, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful fixes, guides, and step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.